We wake up by the sunrise, and you're staring back at me. I hold on to the moment as we cast it out to sea. And the lights come on, the lights come on, reflect.
Dylan, how was the hike?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Easy?
It was all right. It was good.
No problem.
Piece of cake. Easy.
It's nice. Good stuff.
Good sized tent.
I'm not sure that I'm glad that it's over. I mean, I might be glad that it's over. Wasn't awful.
El Presidente. Boys, how's the hike?
It's pretty good.
It's your heart and soul. If you're lost, I will pull you from the places that you see. Fly away from the darkness to a paradise we dreamed. And the lights still shine, the lights still shine, reflecting off our skin.
Good morning, sunshine.
Alright.
Are you tired?
Kind of. Slept pretty good. Not really though.
Are you getting out of bed?
Thinking about it.
You're the storm I find, bursting through my sky, taking no control. It's your heart and soul. It's your heart and shining tonight. We'll be shining, we'll be shining, we'll be shining tonight. We'll be shining, we'll be shining, we'll be shining we'll be shining tonight.